Can I say good morning? I know you guys may be watching this at night, but hey, everyone, this is Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw, and it's a beautiful morning, and I snuck out back so that we could open a box together on a tool, a product that we've been waiting for a long time. Months. So I know I'm not the first unboxing video. We've been just kind of hanging out going, okay, where are we at? Where are we at? And it came just the other day. So I hid it in the back. Let's break this open together. Got my handy razor blade here. What could be in this box? What do we have hiding in here? Well, this might be the first clue. We got a chain. We have a 3/8 63 gauge 115 driver chain in a Husqvarna box. Chains usually fit chainsaws. We have a bar, a 3/8 63 gauge X Tough Light, 36-inch long. Oh man, what is in this bar box? Whoo-wee! Ain't that pretty? Check that out. Look at that beautiful thing. I've been waiting to hold this. This is a sweet bar. This is made by another company. You may have heard of them. You probably done your research and you know that this is not a Husqvarna made bar. It's made by a very reputable bar making company that is just desired, and it is tough, yet it's light, durable, and ultimately really it just looks sexy. Okay, so we got a bar and chain, but what is this going on? Well, here with me today is the brand new, the latest, the greatest Husqvarna 592 XP chainsaw. We've been waiting to get our hands on this, and you get to help me today open this box up and see what is inside. Get our first look at this. 16.3 pound, that's power head only. 7.2 horsepower, I think is my memory. So we got a little over 7 horsepower and a little over 16 pound. We got some cardboard. We got our operator's manual, 585, 592 XP, 592 XPG. We have our winter cover, our winter shutter. What this does is it covers up the air intake on the starter side to just keep things a little warmer in freezing conditions. We got a little bit more cardboard. Is the suspense killing you? I'm sorry. We have a bar wrench and a Torx wrench. We're going to want this bar wrench, so let's get this off. I'm not going to put it together in front of you today. I'm just going to pull it out of the box. We're going to take a quick peek at some things. We'll do a first start video, so stay tuned for that. But here we go. The Husqvarna 592 XP. This is a 90cc class chainsaw. Can run from an 18 to a 36-inch bar. 36 is big. You know, a lot of times that's not the bar size I'd put on it, but there are times when you need that large bar. You've got the big cut. 18, oh my gosh, that's a bit skinny. I think this would feel really good with a 28-inch, 32-inch bar. I'd say 28 would be ideal in my opinion. Okay, taking a look here on the side, we have our primer for starting. We've got our on-off switch, the traditional Husqvarna. We've got our compression release, nice double dogs, so good spikes, good felling spikes, bucking spikes. I believe this is going to have the retained, yes, the retained or captive bar nuts. So we're not going to lose those things when we're out in the woods. We have our external side mount chain tensioner. External sprocket, external rim sprocket. So we're familiar with this on the large Husqvarna chainsaws. Also, one of their competitors runs this. Let's take a peek at the air filter. Husqvarna's been doing these quick clips, I guess I'll call it, for several years. So nice. Boom, boom, boom. With the scrunch. cover comes off. Oh, just beautiful. Just beautiful. I love that air filter. That's a high quality air filter. Seals up really nice. Good cooling fins on it. So there we go. The Husqvarna 592 XP chainsaw unboxing. You were here with me. We got to open this together and take a peek at it. We'll get into this a little bit more. So basic specs, a little over 16 pounds, 7+ horsepower, up to a 36-inch bar. This is a 90cc chainsaw built for professional applications. Great milling saw if you are looking for a milling saw. Okay, thanks for watching. Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw, always here to bring you the latest tools, some tips, some tricks, some things that you need to know to get the most out of your equipment. So come back and watch our first startup video and maybe some of the more spec video as I get that data to me. We look forward to seeing you all soon.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.